Good afternoon all, it's good to see you again. This time, we will present a business presentation. The term Assignment ICE with the letter is Miss Antonina Yunita. Okay, the first, I want to introduce our group members. The first is Janata Thomas in accounting, Widowata Anarka Data in management, Matielo Figohaniko in management, and Immanuel Kamanaran Naibaho in management. Okay, let's get into our subject in this presentation. We will discuss the name company logo with meaning, product description, point to explain company background, business strategy, and possible steps.
Our company name is Ancien. In French, ancien means useless things or useless items. We choose that names because our raw material are used. The next is logo of our company. There are our company names in there, and leaf symbol, that means we doesn't want to make a product that hurt nature. And below of our company names there are our catchword, useless to useful. We want to create product from useless things becomes to useful things.
A product description is the marketing copy that explains what a product is and why it's worth purchasing. Purpose of a product description is to supply customers with important information about the benefits of the product, so they want to buy. The quality of a product description can make or break a sale, especially if it doesn't include the information a shopper needs to make a purchase decision. Providing key product details is critical if you want the shopper to click add to chart and differentiate your e-commerce website from the competition. The more powerful the customer fantasy of owning the product, the more likely they are to buy it. Our product is make a used goods become new goods. Like we make a used jeans to be a bag. So we can make used materials that are wasted into something new. However, we are not only making bags, but many product plants are still being stored and we will sell them in the future.
Then, there are points that describe the company background. In this case, we get there are 6 points, and the first is creative idea, where we get a creative idea that can also be done by the reader's company to be able to think creatively in using items into useful items. And number second is we want use good to become useful item. Here we hope and we will use good, for example, use ham, so that they will be used as useful items for the community or back. And third is reduce fabric waste. Here we hope that the change in fabric waste or pants, which is determined by the perspective of the community, is that if it can't be used, it will just be thrown away. And number 4 is care for the environment. In addition to reducing unused fabric waste, we also want people to also care about the environment around us so that it is always clean from getters or water walls. And number 5 is open business opportunities. Here, here we also want to open business opportunities for the community. And 6. Total fans that are no longer used. The point here is that after we process or make use of the cloth fan into useful items.
Business strategy. Strategy 1. Minimizing the disposal of pants or clothes. By minimizing the accumulation of our pants or clothes, we are sufficient to keep the nature around to preserve nature without destroying it. And strategy 2, maximizing used cloth material into bags or whatever. Cloth wash that is not used can be as a type of handicraft, such as bags and decoration, so that the cloth that is not used becomes meaningful and can increase income.
Then the possible challenge that we support are less experienced compared to other large companies, but here we are the one who will slowly develop this company and the number of new competitors who follow this kind of business. Well, maybe this is that we can say today. Hopefully helpful and afternoon.